Project management software is essential for keeping track of tasks, deadlines, and team members. Without it, projects can quickly become disorganized and chaotic. There are 3 types of project management software: desktop, cloud-based, and open source. Each has its own advantages and disadvantages, depending on your needs. When deciding which software to use for project management, consider factors such as cost, features, and ease of use. Popular options include Trello, Asana, and Basecamp. According to recent surveys, the top 10 project management software used are Asana, Trello, Basecamp, Wrike, Monday.com, Smartsheet, Jira, ClickUp, Teamwork, and Airtable. Each has its own unique features and benefits. The best project management software for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. Consider factors such as team size, budget, and project complexity before making a decision. In conclusion, project management software is essential for keeping projects organized and on track. Choose the right software for your needs, and you'll be well on your way to success.